Hi students, it's Dr. McCoy-Wilson coming to you to provide some further clarification for the issue exploration paper. So the very first thing that you've been asked to do is to identify a news article that discusses a current event or social issue that either relates to your field of study or is of interest to you. And we'll talk about where you should be looking for this article in just a moment. The news article, and here it is just a moment later, the news article must be available through the UMGC library online, and there's information in the course materials for week 1 and 2 for where to find the UMGC library. And the article must also have been published within the past 12 months. Next, you are to explain the event or issue. So this is a summarizing assignment. Not in great detail. A summary doesn't tell everything about an issue or an event, just provides the highlights. Third, provide an additional example of the issue, probably in real life or in practice. Next, connect the issue to your field of study. This is why the assignment has asked you to pick an issue in your field of study. Lastly, pose questions about the issue. Not too many. 2 or 3 questions is fine. Not a whole paragraph full of questions. This is so essential. Please use the model/sample that's provided in week 2 of the course materials. Whenever there is a sample or a model provided for an assignment, the expectation is that the student is going to use that pretty closely to write their own paper. Important takeaways. Number 1, the minimum word count is 700 words. Please make sure that you check your word count in Microsoft Word, and that's another thing that I'm going to mention here that's not actually written. Check your word count to ensure that you are hitting the minimum word count at least. And don't go too much farther past that minimum word count. Number 2, 1-inch margins, 12-point font, double space. This is a mantra that all college students should be using to write. And it's not written here, and I said I'd mention it. Please type your essays in Microsoft Word. The college offers a free Office 365 download so that even if you have a MacBook that did not come with Microsoft Word, you can download all of Office 365 and have that free Microsoft Word as well. Number 3, the grading. The essay is approximately or exactly 10% of your overall grade. And that leads to number 4, examine the grading rubric for this assignment so that you know what you're shooting for. Always look at a rubric to make sure that you are writing towards the rubric and that you've included all of the key areas of the rubric. And number 5, we are using APA style. An APA styled reference page, which I believe there is a sample of how to cite that source in the course materials. You do not have to provide an APA styled title page, but please do write your name and information on the first page of your essay. So that's it. That is some clarity. I provided some clarity for you on the issue exploration paper. Happy writing, everybody.